check front door. Forward. Left. Left. Good boy. Leave it.
We don't find it. It's not that big. Yeah.
Well, just look for marketplace home
Yeah.
organization.
Well, there's something for here.
Yeah, I just.
It's under, it's not leveled with the floor, that's why.
It sure is.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. These are the elevators near the food court at IKEA in Schaumburg, Illinois. These are Boisterous elevators. You'll see what I mean. These have great motors. There's the machine room, let's go up to 3, and then we'll transfer to the other one on 3. See? Much louder than the elevator 1. Send it down to 1. Oh, it's a bit low on oil. Forward. Left. Good boy. Good boy.